Hi everyone, I'm Randy with Wayne Water Systems, and today I'm going to give a brief demo on how to change out your sump pump. You know, with everything that's going on, a lot of states are on lockdown because of COVID-19 and the coronavirus. Now is a great opportunity to take the time at home to do a couple of DIY projects. And really, changing out your sump pump, it's not as difficult as you would think. Every home that has a sump pump and every homeowner should ask themselves this question. If you can't remember the last time you changed your sump pump, it's time to change your sump pump. Most sump pumps have a 1, 3, or 5-year warranty. So again, if you can't remember the last time you changed it, it's really time. The cool thing is, this is really a 15-minute project that could take a few minutes more or a lot more, depending on what's going on upstairs. Nobody wants to have a flooded basement because of a failed pump. And especially now that we're on lockdown, with all the kids home, the kids are playing in the basement, you really don't want to have water in your basement and have that part of your home go out of commission. So, we're in our lab today. I've gone ahead and prepped up a model sump pit. I've done a little bit of pre-work just so everyone at home can get a good understanding and a basic understanding of what it takes to replace a sump pump. So the very first thing you want to do is go over to your GFCI outlet and unplug your current sump pump. The next thing is you want to disconnect your sump pump in its riser. The best place to do it is just below your check valve. It's a great time to check your check valve. Make sure it's in good working order. This one is, so I'm going to leave it in place for the demonstration. You can use either a hex screw or use a socket wrench. I've got a flathead screwdriver, and I know that everyone at home should have one, so it's just easier this way. Once you loosen the band, the rubber boot should come off relatively easily. Just take your old sump pump. Ooh, that one's dirty. Just set it aside. You're not going to need it ever again. Now, if you're wondering, where can I get a sump pump? Local hardware stores that have been deemed essential by many states, they're open right now. This is another great way to support local businesses. If you're uncomfortable going out, that's fine too. You can get a sump pump at most any of your favorite .coms, whether it be from a big box hardware retailer or whether it be from your favorite .com. You know which one I'm talking about. Now, to install your new sump pump, you're going to need to connect it to a section of pipe called a riser. I've already done the pre-work. In order to do this, you're going to take a section of PVC. You're going to take this kind of a connector, screws into the bottom, and you're going to use PVC glue and glue these together. Now, since this sump pump is a top suction sump pump, there's no need to drill a weak hole in this pipe. Other pumps that are bottom suction only, you may need to do that. But the Wayne pumps are top suction, so it saves you some hassle and actually a lot of noise late at night. You're going to place this down into your pit and then reconnect it, basically the opposite of when you disconnected your last one. Make sure this check valve is on tight. You don't want any leaks. Now the next and final step is to plug this back into your GFCI. And that's it. Really truly recommend getting a big bucket of water, maybe 2, maybe 3. Pour it in your sump pit. Make sure that your float switch is clear and that the sump pump is firing and ejecting the water up and out of your home. We really truly hope that everybody stays safe. Keep your hands washed, keep your social distance, and keep your home up. Right now is a great time to catch up on some of those DIY projects. Changing your sump pump should be on your list. Thanks very much for watching.